Pioneers, this is the leg press machine. When you're performing a leg press, all the muscles in your lower body, your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and a little bit of your calves are all working. Your foot placement and the back rest will change which muscles are working harder as compared to others. So work with what's best for you, what feels most comfortable, causes no pain, and works the muscles that you want worked that day. So to adjust the back rest, I like a moderate back rest position. So this is really high. I'm gonna put it down so it's more comfortable for my back. This seat does not move, it does stay at an angle. And when you're moving this piece, you can move the footrest. So I'm gonna pull on this knob and hold this handle, and this is how I adjust it. As a general rule of thumb, I want it set so that at the bottom, my knees are about 90 degrees, my butt can stay on the mat, and my back can stay on the mat. I'm gonna find a foot position that's comfortable and works what I wanna work that day, and I'll set my weight so I can move the pin into an appropriate weight for myself, and I can adjust the knob by 5-pound increments. And when I'm ready, with my butt down and my back on the mat, I can hold on to the handles or wherever I need to push myself and breathe and press. It's a great compound movement to work all parts of your leg at the beginning or at the end of your workout. That's the seated leg press.